Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Giacomo, I'm a sommelier and a mixologist, and tonight we're gonna learn how to make one of my favorite cocktails, an Italian classic, the Negroni. I'll give you a tip, it's not like Stanley Tucci makes it, it's slightly different. For tonight we're gonna use gin. My preference is Bombay, mine is actually infused with rosemary, but I'll talk about infusion in another video later on. Then you're gonna need sweet vermouth. I usually use martini, red sweet vermouth, and Campari. It's a very easy cocktail. Let's start with the base, the gin. You're gonna use 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 ounce of Campari. So 3 equal parts of 3 different spirits. Then you're gonna add some ice. And you can start to stir until your Boston shaker is nice and chilly. And then I'm gonna put ice. I prefer to use a big ice cube for the Negroni, but you can use also regular ice. And you're gonna strain the cocktail right on top. There we go. For the garnish, for the cocktail I like to use an orange peel. Squeeze it on top, the rim around, and just inside. And there we go. And your Negroni is ready. Cheers!